Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing your palette and a cup of clean water. This matters because water controls opacity and flow. Squeeze a small pea-sized amount of poster color into a mixing well, then add 1 to 2 drops of water and stir slowly to loosen pigment. Once you see the paint glide without separating, test a stroke on scrap paper. Make sure to adjust dropwise. Too much water thins pigment and reduces vibrancy, while too little keeps strokes blocky. Once your base mix behaves predictably, work on control. Thinner mixes produce translucent washes ideal for backgrounds, and denser mixes give solid coverage for shapes. You should load your brush with the right amount, less for crisp edges, more for soft blends, and move the brush in confident strokes. Make sure to let underlayers dry to touch before layering darker tones. This prevents lifting and muddying. If you need smooth gradients, blend while the paint is tacky, not bone dry. You finish by refining edges and ensuring even drying. Keep your work flat to prevent runs. If blooms or backruns appear where water displaces pigment, gently blot with a barely damp brush to redistribute pigment, then smooth with controlled strokes. Make sure to reapply stronger pigment in thin layers rather than one heavy pass to maintain color depth. If paper starts to buckle, let it dry fully under a weight. If tearing occurs, consolidate with a light glue wash on the reverse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.